Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing just the eyes. I did do everything up until that point. I did do a full get ready with me video, I think 2 videos ago. So if you want to see everything that I do in that process, go ahead and check that video out. And everything that I've done on my face so far up to this point is going to be in the drop down box. I've been pretty consistent with putting those products down there just in case you wanted to know what's on my face. But so far I have done everything up into priming my eyes, and now we're just going to jump into the eyeshadow palette that I picked out. It is one that I have used before, but instead of doing the look that I did previously, I'm going to use the other side of the palette. So the palette I chose to use today is the Violet Voss Pro HG. This palette is beautiful. So the last time I used this palette, I used a lot of the burgundies and wine colors over here to do kind of a cranberry look. But today I kind of want to stick with the browns on this side just because today I have a really pretty eyeshadow topper that I want to use. I want to just kind of build up the base and the outside part of the eye before I put that eyeshadow topper on. Let me zoom in and we'll get started on this look. Okay, starting out, to set my primer, I'm going to use Thanks a Latte. It's just a matte. Not everyone wants to set their eyeshadow primer. I personally do just because I feel like my colors blend better when I do. For my crease, I'm going to use the color Are You Kiddin' Me? I will say this eyeshadow palette is super easy to work with. I've only dipped into this color once and it blends out so nicely. I get it where I need it, no issues. Next I'm going to go in with the color Brownie Points. I'm going to be using my Luxie 213 eye shading brush. This is the one that I like to use just to get my shape on the outside corner. So I will start out by packing the color on where I want it to be, and then I will slowly pull it to the point where I want the shape. And when I'm trying to get my shape, I'm only slowly pulling it up a little bit. I don't want it to go too far out and then I need to back it up, especially because I've got to match the other side. Alright, now to darken up that color a little bit, I'm going to use the color Teddy Bear. I'm going to keep using that same Luxie 213 eye shading brush. I'm getting some weird skips. I don't know if that's probably my eye. I'm gonna switch over to this tiny fluffy Morphe brush, but I'm just gonna use this brush to kind of blend out some of these skips and darken up that area. Now, like I said, I do have a eyeshadow topper that I want to use. Now, for the eyeshadow topper, this is the Tarte Chrome Paint in the color Frose. This color is stunning. I was actually just at Ulta yesterday and had no intention of buying anything. I just wanted to see like what new stuff was out. I didn't really need anything. But I saw this and I was like, okay, I like this color. I want to try it out. And I looked on the Ulta website because if I ever find something and I'm like, I'm not really in the mood to buy anything right now, but like, let me see if I can just add it to my loves list. And online it was sold out. So I was like, okay, there's only one left. It's mine. So I ended up buying it. It's the worst part. I go into Ulta or Sephora or Target. I have no intention of buying anything and I walk out with something as stunning as this. So I'm really excited. I like the shift. It's like a gold pinky. That color is beautiful. And I think that color is gonna be just as stunning on the eyes. It's why I wanted to build up just this brown color on the outside eye, which right now is like that dark chocolatey brown. So there is this little disc, which recommended to keep in there. And then make sure you close these type of chrome paints or even like the Marc Jacobs sequins. Same thing, keep those tightly closed because they can dry out, and especially for the Marc Jacobs ones, for as much as you spend on them, you don't want them to dry out. All right, so just on the finger, because I'm really good at finger painting. I'm gonna have to clean up the under eye a little bit, but I'm not mad at it. That color is beautiful. I'm gonna go back into that color Teddy Bear with my Luxie 213 eye shading and just kind of blend the edges. And then I'm gonna go back in with that big fluffy crease brush from Morphe with no extra powder. This is the brush that I used to put Thanks to Latte on. I will say when I went to go put Teddy Bear on, because it touched that Tarte eye topper, it did pull some of the gold with it, which I'm not mad about, into the crease. I don't know if you can see just where it's at. It kind of gave that gold shift up there, which, okay. Now for the inside corner, I'm gonna use the color Plouf from the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. I know I've already got some of that Tarte Chrome Paint in there, but I think Plouf on top of that is gonna be really pretty. Now for underneath the eye, I'm going to use the color Brownie Points. Just a small Morphe eyeshadow brush. This one's more on the flat side. Alright, well now we're ready for our eyeliner, mascara, and eyelashes, which I will go ahead and do off camera, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I've got my eyeliner, mascara, and my lashes on. For lashes, I used Lilly Lashes in the style LA. I really like these lashes. They're shorter on the inside, longer on the outside, and they just kind of curl up. And they're so easy to apply. So the other thing I did was my lips. I was looking in the mirror and I was like, oh man, I need to do my lips. So for my lips, I used the ColourPop Disney Designer Collection. This is the color Belle, This color is stunning. I love this color. I didn't want to do like a bold red lip. I did that the other day. I just posted that video, but I wanted to keep it, I don't know, a little more subtle. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know we just focused on eyes and lips, but I do my eyes more often and just focus on that because it's one of my favorite things to do. It's one of the more creative things that I get to do. And I hope that you enjoy those videos just as much as I do creating them. Now, if you do follow any of my tutorials and recreate those looks, find me on Instagram. I'm interested to see what you come up with. Tag me in those pictures. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Click that bell icon to get notifications of new videos, which are usually 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. And until next time, you guys, bye, and I'll see you in my next video.